The distance around a track is 1 kilometer and 300 meters. So it's 1 km and 300 meters. So maybe plus 300 meters. That's a terrible, there we go. Just 1 kilometer, 300 meters. All right, let's convert that into just meters. Let's convert that into our smallest amount of units. 1,300 meters. And then they said, let's see, they ran around the track 4 times. All right, so you multiply by 4. Let's see, that would be 0, 0, 12, so 2 and then the 1, then they're multiply that by 4, that's 1, plus the actual 1, that's 5. 5,200, and so you convert that back into kilometers and meters, because this is 5,200 meters. Converting that back is pretty straightforward. All you do is just go 5 kilometers, 200 meters. All right, let's do this one. Gerald filled a tank of 5 buckets of water. Each bucket contained 2 liters and 400 milliliters. All right. So 2 liters, 400 milliliters. All right, let's see. So there's 5 of them. I'm going to convert that to the smallest amount of units. So it's either 2,400 milliliters or it's 2.4 liters. But let's do it this way for now. You multiply that by 5, okay? And let's see, what do you get? You get 4, or you get 0 and 0 and 20, so it's like that. And then 10 plus 2, so that's 12. So it's 12,000 milliliters, or if you want to convert that back into liters, that's just 12 liters. And I think that for this problem, there's kind of an interesting thing you need to do, or you can do, and kind of think of it separately. I don't know if that's always the most helpful, but maybe I'll just show you 2 different ways to do it. And then you can decide which one you like better. So what I'm talking about here is like, you can take 2 liters and 400 milliliters, and say you want to multiply it by 5. So you multiply this by 5. That's what that means. I'm going to multiply everything in here by 5. So I'm going to multiply the 2 by 5 and I get 10 liters. 2 times 5 is 10. I'm going to multiply the 5, or the 400 by the 5 and I get 2,000. Right, because 5 times 4 is 20, plus you tack on the extra 2 zeros, boom, boom. Now, I can convert this back into liters, and so that's 2 liters. So I have 10 liters and 2 liters extra, so that's 12 liters. It's the same thing. I just kind of multiplied them separately and then converted them back into one main thing.